Impala with 212, slapping hard. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
I'm Isaac. I got 212.
Avatar 12s?
Yeah, Avatar 12 with 2 Sundale 4Ks.
Are they strapped or gain matched?
Correct.
Did you build the box?
No. My homeboy built it.
And what kind of battery bank and alternator?
I got a 420 alternator and I got an XL 3400.
Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, I like the battery. I love it.
Good. Nice. Any SPL tests or just daily driver?
Yeah, daily driver.
Okay. Who built the box?
One of my homeboys, he built it, and I got it from him.
Okay. Do you know tuning or box specs at all?
It's tuned 33 hertz.
Okay. Oh, it gets low. Plays pretty low. You're subscribed to me. My video just posted.
I told you I like it, man. I'm like,
my video just posted and you're subscribed and we're getting the demo. This is like perfect timing, man. All right. Sorry, I had to mention that.
No, it's fine. I like it.
Good timing.
Yeah.
What vehicle?
Impala.
Impala 2015 with 212, slapping hard. Is there a way I can see the back too? Wow. Sorry about that. This is nice. Okay. You got some power in the trunk. Is there a way I can see the subs?
Oh yeah, the trunk open.
Oh, it is. Okay. Oh, okay. I didn't want to touch it, you know, it's not my vehicle. Okay, I'm coming in. Can I come in?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Sounds good. Subscribe to me. My video just posted.
I told you I like it, man. I'm like,
my video just posted and you're subscribed and we're getting the demo. This is like perfect timing, man. All right. Sorry, I had to mention that.
No, it's fine. I like it.
Good timing.
Yeah.
Straight up. Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out. Riding in the car with no keys. Straight up. Louis V shirt with no sleeves. Okay. Slaughter gang, nigga, I'm reppin'. 21. The chopper get the preaching, I'm the reverend. 21. Call him no Eric, Captain, yeah. I'm the type of niggas I ain't get cool. The shit in my back, get cash. With the sound out of Texas. Riding in the coupe, this is sport. Yeah, my bike gonna look like a hell. She better make she knows me, I like this a joy. I got to the money from Mario. I'm rich until when I get bored. On my side, this is out of board. One time, get to an asshole. I ain't gonna lie, I was just being born. I put Chanel on my seat, and World Mona got Chanel on my seat. Put me in a third world country in the middle of the slums. I'ma turn it to $1 million street. Oh, girl, I made this, so it's $1 million girl. Been 12 BBS, I fell in love with girl. Walking your section, you ain't rapping about that. My boys gon' be $1 million fee. God, hop in the belly, slide away. Push from my chain and you die. Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, 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 cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out. Riding in the car with no keys. Straight up. Louis V shirt with no sleeves. Okay. Slaughter gang, nigga, I'm reppin'. 21. The chopper get the preaching, I'm the reverend. 21. Call him no Eric, Captain, yeah. I'm the type of niggas I ain't get cool. The shit in my back, get cash. 21. The sound out of Texas. Riding in the coupe, this is sport. Yeah, my bike gonna look like a horse. She better make she knows me, I like this a joy.
You're subscribed to me. My video just posted.
I told you I like it, man. I'm like, you want to.
My video just posted and you're subscribed and we're getting the demo. This is like perfect timing, man. Alright. Sorry, I had to mention that.
No, it's fine.
Good timing.
Yeah.
Cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, 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 cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash in, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out, cash out.
Wow. For 2 12s in the trunk, you did great. You're running some power on that thing, man. I appreciate the demo. You did great. And it gets real low. You actually were floating that a little bit. That's good for a trunk build. Shout out, man. Your name again? Isaac. Thanks for watching, Isaac. JacobViral. You have a good day, man. That was great. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop